Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while. Up and down, all around. Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while. See all you can see, do all you can do, be all you can be, go all that you can go, up and down, all around. Mama, mama, cow, it's been a while.
Okay, we're going to be filming in the evening time. It's kind of cool. They just cut down all these trees, so it has this kind of a beautiful kind of garden kind of feel. There's a Almirante hotel right over there. There's this big billboard that's not used. That's a hotel that's no longer in service. And then over there is kind of the waterfront. And we're going to be walking down this way and kind of give you an idea of this particular street. So hang tight. I'll show you where we're at on the map. We got a Macau one for you. This one is kind of a cool one because we're going to be, well, you can see it in the preview already with the music, but we're going to be up on top of a mountain near the end of it and kind of getting all these great views. And we're going to be kind of walking along the mountainside and also getting some interesting views and just kind of checking it out and seeing what it's all about. So it's a side of Macau that not many people see unless you're actually here yourself and visiting. So we're going to take you there as if you're there yourself, along with me and my camera. Macau. Yeah, there's Almirante. So this one right here goes down to Nova Mall. That could be a focus that we could do. And the start of our street would be down this way. The lighting is just coming on. I could almost go, kind of want to go somewhere where there's better lighting. It's kind of perfect right now. But instead, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk down this particular big wide street and kind of give an idea what it looks like. And this will be a slice of Taipa, northern Taipa. I always thought this is kind of cool. So they have this lighting box, and it also just kind of keeps these big banyan trees in a secure place. And there's another one over there too. So there's two of them. A lot of runners come through here too. And actually they widened up this road recently as well. And then up here is a hotel, Art Regency. I stayed here during COVID. I was in there for 10 days. Could not leave the hotel at that time. And had to do tests every day. Inside this restaurant, they got a halal restaurant, Zam Zam. You can kind of see what some of the stuff is they have. The flickering will go away in a second. There it is. And then right in this area, more flickering again from those lights. So this will go into the restaurant right here called Zam Zam. And then there's kind of like a Zen garden and a swimming pool. It's all connected to this particular hotel. There's a little dog park, no dogs sign, but there's actually a dog park over there. We'll walk over there and show that to you. Just kind of capture the beauty of these trees. And then there's actually like a little bar restaurant over there as well, inside. I'm going to talk about that hill in a little bit. That's called Taipa Pequeño. So that's all the Almirante. Oh, that's Almirante is another hotel. This was the well, there's Macau Tower in the distance. Then this particular street is actually goes up that way, but we're not going to walk down that one. We're going to go down this one. Fast moving traffic and slow moving motorcycle and a phone. Phone booth, kind of a little archaic from before. These are from kind of also archaic really. Because these are from the post office. I don't know how many people use these anymore. But yeah, you got your, so I'll be gone someday, this one and that one. phone booth in the postal service. Macau, China, 2026. 1 year early. So now you can get a good view of the hotel, and then all of these right here, there's Nova shopping mall right over there. It's on the other side of this hotel. So those are all the tall buildings for that. There's a school over there. There's basically there's a school. There's a road here at the base of the hill, and another one that goes up the top of the hill. That goes way up there towards some schools are up there. Then this side, you can see Macau Tower in the background, right there. Oh, sorry, Macau Tower is over that way a little bit, but you have some other casinos here, MGM and Grand Lisboa. We're gonna try to go by this little bus stop. Do you have any idea? There's a gas station right there, Caltex. There's quite a few buses that go here, and then they'll go over to the Macau side. Caltex sign. And so we're kind of walking, in a lot of Macau it's quite dense, and you'll see a lot more narrow roads, but this is actually one of those big wide roads that moves traffic quickly through Macau over to the, this is Taipa, and moves it to the Macau side. We call it the Macau Peninsula over there. Take a bridge across. Here's that gas station. So yeah, a lot of people, when they watch my videos, they kind of notice that there's very few gas stations, because you kind of have to come out to these big major roads to see those. The lighting is amazing right now. Then you can see the El Tira, the sign for the El Tira Hotel. That's actually a very expensive one. They got live music up there, and at the top, like for the rooftop, way up there. More of those tall buildings. And then if you do have a dog, this would be a kind of a typical Macau. Oh, dog. There's a dog right there. But these are what the dog parks look like. Yeah, you can bring your dogs through. There's another one over there. Okay, so there's our street sign, which I can't quite capture. I'm gonna try to capture it right now with my other phone. Okay, we got the dog park to the right. The gas station all illuminated and lit up right now. Up here in the background, kind of this major road goes through Taipa. And then I did capture that street sign, so I captured it on my smaller phone. And then you can see the skyline a little bit from here. And also there's all these kind of weed looking things over there. There's a spot over there for fireworks. So whenever there's like some kind of firework event, kids can rent fireworks, can buy them over there, and then send them over the river, where the bridge is at. And they also put the professional fireworks on both sides of on Taipa Island, and then over on the Macau Peninsula as well. So that's kind of interesting. But yeah, there's kind of I think that land they kind of tried to, they just haven't really found anything they're gonna do with that in particular. Up there's a nice hill. I was gonna try to film up there, give you these nice views that you can overlook a beautiful skyline from up there. You can also overlook them from up here too, because there's some hiking trails way up at the top here. Okay. So let me, a lot of people will do jogging right here, so we have a jogger. And then I think what I'll do is just jump ahead a little bit, and then we'll film at the end of the one up near where the bridge is at, and we'll show you what that looks like. A little bit further along, but that up there is like a university area, and that has a really nice view. There's our street sign right there, and then the skyline, and we're kind of near this bridge. We're gonna walk underneath the bridge, and got a bus stop right here too. So now we're underneath this bridge, and this is actually the end of the road. So we started down there by the El Tira Hotel. Now we're under this this bridge. Oh, there's also, like, if you're up on these trails right up there, you have this really beautiful view right there. You can see it. It's really amazing. kind of makes me want to go up there right now because you get some really good views. I might actually combine that with a video. I think I will. I'm gonna walk up there. But before we walk, so here's the bridge. We're gonna go try to capture that little mascot that's greets all the cars when they come in. And then we're gonna go up to that little space up there so you can see what it looks like from there. There's also a nice sculpture. You can actually take some steps and go all the way to the top over there as well. But yeah, we're gonna go in that space. Go check out that mascot. Hey, back in. The bus. Is that a globe right there? Okay. You hear the stink. There's no longer the other stink anymore, but cool. So we did our little zoom in of that one. The GoPro I can't zoom in like that, so usually I have to stay at a distance. There's the Kolowan and Taipa, and then this is the waterfront right there. And yeah, we're gonna go up there. But this street that we were focusing on today does come out to this bridge. There's some people over on the other side of the street because they can walk across this entire bridge, which is kind of cool. I might even walk down it myself for briefly. Oh, and check this out. A small little beach. I always thought if they put money into this area and put some like beach kind of stuff, it'd be really centralized in the city. People could walk down here. Could be really amazing. Then yeah, there's some nice bridges over there too. That's a newer bridge. You could call it the Macau Bridge. It goes to the airport, or not to the airport, to the road, the bridge to Hong Kong. And then straight ahead is our skyline of the Macau Peninsula side. So now you can see MGM, Grand Lisboa, Macau Tower, bridge, the other bridge over there. There's quite a few bridges around here. There's one way down there on the China side that you can see, and then that bridge right there, that's on the Macau to Taipa. This one is the middle bridge, they call it. And then there's actually two bridges over there. Actually, there's three. There's a long bridge that goes all the way to the Zhuhai border. There's another one that goes to the bridge to Hong Kong. And then there's also a bridge to Hong Kong. So there's actually three over that way. Number here is 4, 5, and then number 6 is on the China side. There's probably more on the China side, but the one is kind of parallel that you can easily see. And on that note, I guess next, there's all the joggers are over on that side, right? Even practicing boxing over there too. That's cool. And so that's a skyline right there. As on the side, you can see some man-made structure in there. They're gonna fill that in with apartments. So this little space in here will lose its waterfront view, skyline view of having that side. But anyways, let's go up to that space up there. Show you from up above. Okay, so now we're walking, the waterfront is to the right. This kind of looks really beautiful. It's blue. And then this is the one that goes up to the top. So we're gonna take the elevator. So yeah, it's kind of an outdoor elevator. And it's right on the waterfront here. We'll get a good view up there, and then you can kind of get a better idea of it. So we just came out of that elevator, and now you have the really beautiful view. So now you can see the bridge that we were just at. Looks like it's like perfect timing right now. See all the bridges. Nice. That bridge right there changes colors. So right now it's pink, but it'll be like sometimes purple, red, blue. And also the Macau Tower also changes colors as well. Should zoom in on that too. And then you also have these buildings right here with amazing view. And they go right up against the mountain. And then you can also take the stairs all the way down too if you so desire, if there's the elevator problem. But yeah, this is the little thing that you can walk. Okay, let me do a zoom in real quick, the other camera. There you go. That is nice with a zoom. It's kind of harder for me to manage the videos, so I usually don't do the zoom. I like to just walk. But that's what that looks like. And then I should also zoom in on this one because it does look pretty cool when I zoom. that bridge is supposed to be shaped like a dragon, so that's supposed to be like the bulk of the body up there, and then the tail is supposed to go down like that. Then you got this boa, grandis boa, and this boa. This boa is the small one right there. Grandis boa is the grand one. Bank of China is the big white one right there. And then those are like the MGM and Wynn casinos. There's another cluster over there. That casino is Sands. And the ferry terminal's over there as well. Okay, anyways. Here. So the Skyway, you can walk all the way down. And then if you walk, you can walk up that way as well across the street. We're not going to do it because it's too dark. You won't really get a good feel, a good effect of it. But anyways, this is basically what it looks like from up here. So I think what I'll do is come to an end. But another side to Macau, over there is Ocean Gardens, by the way. It's like a set of apartments that all overlook the water, and they're all kind of clustered in a neighborhood. So there's a lot of expats live over there, nice big apartments for families, and some garages, parking garages for tenants as well. Most of the buildings around here have parking garages anyways. Okay. And so yeah, this is one of those mountain roads. So when we walk down, we're kind of walking parallel, but under on the flat area down that way. You can see an airplane in the distance way down that way. I don't think the views are that good on the camera right here, but I do want to just give you an idea of what it looks like right here. It's going to be kind of jerky. I apologize for that. And I'm going to be ending the video, but right up here there's a little thing that says 2000 circuit, like a type of pequeño, and then yeah, there's hiking trails up there. But anyways, we're gonna just end the video. And yeah, basically if I get a chance up there, maybe I'll do one shot where I can view the street down below where we were at. Oh, there's somebody up on top there. I don't know if you can see, there's somebody up there that's smoking a cigarette up on the ledge there. Oh, interesting. Okay. So now you can see the Esparteiro Hotel very clearly on this road, because this road goes back to it. And then down there is where we were at. We were walking down that street. So that's our focused road, basically. So, and that kind of goes up to that bridge that we were at. So yeah, from up here you kind of get some of these nice views of the city, the skyline. Macau's filled with that because it's basically kind of island features with mountains, right? Small hills. But yeah, we're gonna end the video pretty soon. But so we were walking down below. That's that university area. Now we're kind of like more island with that. And then you can see the Esparteiro, those, a lot of the buildings, they tower way above. That's probably at least like 30 stories high. And then we're already above it, up on this hill already. So they're kind of interesting. So we'll do one more final shot when we get up there before we end the video. Okay, so this would be the final shot. So yeah, right. So we were just down basically below there. You can see some of the bridges, 3 bridges that are over there. There's Esparteiro, the skyline. On the type of side here, yeah, kind of a wall of beautiful apartments. And yeah, there's a little hiking trail right there that goes up into the mountains. There's a bunch of access points everywhere. Anyways, maybe we'll do one final shot down there so you can see the gas station and kind of give you a little bit of a conclusion part. But yeah, that's that little trail thing that goes up there. Okay, so we just basically came down that hill, and then that's that gas station. So we started right over there where the Esparteiro is at, right there. And we basically just followed that along the major road there, and then we just went up to the top and came down this road. So anyways, kind of gives you a little bit of an idea of how Macau is put together a little bit.